CEO Ronald Hinkland from Creating the Difference. I want to talk to you about sanding pad and sanding pad technology. I have two pads here that have both been put on each of these bowling balls at 2,000 grit. These are the pads, these are the numbers. We're going to take this bowling ball here, we're going to check it to see what the grit is on this bowling ball. Okay, so now this pad produced 3428 on the ball. This pad produced 1987 on the ball. So now we talk a little bit about the performance. We've shown you some numbers. What we haven't done is shown you what the performance is actually on the lane.
Check it out.
Now you say, okay, Ron, what does that mean? What that means is two things. One, this ball, AKA this pad, is going to give you a more aggressive performance. And what that translates into is, as you're bowling a course of a 6 or 8 game block, you're going to be able to see that bowling ball give you a stronger, more aggressive reaction. This ball, unfortunately, is not going to be able to do that because it's already started at a higher number. So that ball is going to change and it's going to give you less of a performance ball. If you have more questions or need more information, make sure you check us out at ctdbowling.com. Ronald Hinkland, CEO from Creating the Difference. Have a great day.